Okay, now so moving to question 3. So question 3 asks us for show that integral of 1 plus x square square root dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 3, where C is formed by vertices 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 3 by oriented clockwise. So when oriented clockwise, now we draw first for the C, which is I already draw. This one is the C, and this is the point 0, 0, 1, 0, and this is 1, 3. Now we know that here is y is equals to 0, and this one already we know that x is equal to 1, and this one we don't know since this question didn't give us any limit, so we need to find our own limit for this Green's theorem. So by doing that, we can find y here by using gradient equation, which is we know that C is now is 0. C is 0. So we can find that using y equals to mx plus c. And now we need to find m. So to find m, we use m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and put the value, which is 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 0 over 1 minus 0. We get 3. So this is 3x. Right, so here is the 3x. Now, as the question told us to use oriented clockwise, so the arrow over here, the arrow over here showing the clockwise. Now, from Green's theorem told us that we need to use double integral, where delta p is delta q over delta x minus delta p over delta y. Here we put the limit for these vertices. So from here, we need to find p and q first, where now our p is this one, because it is dx, we need to use dy for that, and for our q now is 2xy. So by using del q over del x, this is q, this is p. So by using del q over del x, we get 2y at here. And as for p, del p over del y, so we get 0 since everything is constant and there's no any y here. So del p over del y is 0. So for integral, we get 2y minus 0 dy dx. As for the limit, since this is dy, so here we need to use the y. Y here is 0 and 3x, and the oriented is from 0 to 3x. So now we will get 0, and y here is 3x. And this one is for dx, this x. Since dx is still oriented clockwise, since there is no any x equation here, so we get start from 0, and we go to here, we get 1. So now our integration is like this. Okay, as I said before, this one is the one that we take x1, x is equals to 1 and 0. This one is y equals to 0 and 3x that we got from this graph. And also we already found that the equation for del p over del y and del q over del x, so we already include in the equation of Green's theorem, and we get like this. So just using basic integration, we integrate 2y, we will get 2y squared over 2, so we cancel out 2. Now we left out with y2, and we put the limit of dy into the equation, which is 3x square minus 0 square, and now we left with 9x square. Now using also a basic integration, we integrate this one, then we get 9x cubed over 3. We cancel out 3, and this one we left with 3x cubed. And now we put dx value, which is 0 to 1. We put, and we get the answer is 3. Since the answer is 3, the question asks to show that this integral is equals to 3. Since the answer we get is already 3, so it's already shown for this question. Thank you.